What's up everybody, NCmotoRIDER here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and installing the GIVI EA118 Easy T range tank bag with the Tanklock system. So let's do it. Alright, so here is the tank bag. We have this bag. What comes in the bag? This is the 25-liter version, which is expandable. Some sort of piece of plastic. I assume that is to help it hold its shape, I guess. Here is another bag, some kind of strap. Looks like directions, actual tank lock, and a rain cover, which is nice. It does expand. Here's the zipper right here to make it expand up. It's got a pocket in the front, pocket on the side with the GIVI logo, and another pocket on the other side with the GIVI logo. That is the clear thing on the front where you can put like a map or your phone or something in there. On the bottom is the part that actually connects to this piece, and I got to show you something else you'll have to get. This is the actual Tanklock system for my specific bike, which is the 2018 V-Strom 1000 XT. Check out what's inside this box. There's this piece, some screws and another metal piece, directions, which seem to be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to get this installed on the V-Strom and then we will check that out. So you're going to have a T4 Allen socket, and you got to remove this bolt right here, and this bolt, and this bolt. The three spacers go where the bolts were. Then the plastic piece goes on first. The screws that came in the kit are actually a little smaller. They take a 3mm Allen socket. So that is done. That is the Tanklock system for the GIVI tank bag. Now I'm going to grab the tank bag and see if it'll go on. I'm actually going to switch out the plastic piece that came with the bag with the one that came with the kit. The way the plastic is made around the tank, it actually won't let the tank bag sit down all the way because of this raised plastic right here. But this one is a little bit taller, so it should work. That right there is the Tanklock system. Everything's good and mounted. And like I said, I switched out the first one for the one that came with the kit because it's a lot taller and it gets the tank bag up away from this plastic so it can actually go down all the way and snap in. I think it looks pretty good on the V-Strom. I did also put that piece of plastic in. I don't know if you can see it. It slides in right here on this side and then on the other side, and it kind of just helps the bag keep its shape, which is kind of nice. Get the bag off, you just lift it up and there's a little red lever right here. You just pull it and it comes loose. It comes with a security strap to wrap around the triple tree just in case it was to come loose. If I need to get gas, I'll just unhook it with this lever and throw it up here on the handlebars like this, and it'll stay up out of the way while I get gas. That's a pretty neat little system. Whenever you're ready to put it back on, it just simply snaps back on. Well, that's pretty much it for the tank bag install. I hope this video helps out somebody else that wants to install one of these bags. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the bag or anything, just let me know down in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely do that for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.